In the heart of moonlit meadow stood the Whispering Willow, its silvery leaves shimmering softly under the gentle starlight. Each night, as children snuggled beneath cozy blankets, the willow would sway and hum a soft lullaby that seemed to float on the breeze. But tonight was special. Little Ellie tiptoed to the willow, her slippers barely making a sound on the soft grass. "Mighty willow, may I hear a bedtime secret?" she whispered, her voice full of wonder. The tree's branches stretched low, gently tickling her nose. "I have a riddle for dreamers," the willow replied, its voice rustling like autumn leaves in a quiet wind. "What glows without fire, sings without voice, and dances without feet?" Ellie thought deeply, her eyes wide with curiosity. She gazed up at the glowing moon, watched the breeze ripple through the meadow, and listened closely to the night's soft sounds. With a bright smile, she answered, "It's the light of dreams swirling in our sleep." The willow chuckled, pleased by her wisdom. "You are wise, young one. Carry this riddle to your dreams, and let its gentle magic guide you through the night." As Ellie skipped back to her home, the willow's gentle hum wrapped the meadow in a warm, peaceful glow. That night, beneath the star-kissed sky, the children's dreams shimmered brighter and danced more freely than ever before.